Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Solid Bioscience, and first of all we have limited data for this particular script. So the data we have is for 2 years only, and if you can see this stock, so from the levels of $54-$55 on the upside, the stock has been falling down on the lower side of the range, and the current low for this stock is now 1.95. so this 1.95 will be your crucial support or the most important support which you can see in this stock, because if the stock falls below 1.95, so this is the final support. So there should not be any position carried below 1.95, because you don't know how far it will go below 1.95. okay, so the stock has made a bottom, because it is a bottom, we can consider it, because the stock in the I suppose March 2020 made this low, and again it came back to this level. So if it holds, if this level holds, then obviously the stock will retest the high of 3.59 on the upside. Okay, so this will be a first target or resistance. Then you have 4.81, and simultaneously you will have 5.77. okay, so these are the levels which one should look on the higher side. Okay, now once 5.77 crossed, if it crossed, then the next target will be 9.26 and 12.24. so these are, and one more important level to look at here is 13.78. why? Because this will be the very big resistance. The reason being, or 14.16, reason being, if the stock crosses and stays over 14.16, there is a very high probability that it will go towards its previous high of 53. But these are all conditional and it will depend upon one another. So for the time being, you have your first support or first resistance at 3.59, then you have 4.89, simultaneously 5.77. if it crossed 5.77, then 9.26 and 12.24 and 14.16. so these are all the levels you should look at, and you need to retest or recheck each and every time the support or the resistance level hits. Okay, and rearrange your plan or trade accordingly. On the downside, as I've already told you, there should not be any trend or any trade below this level, because in the history of this chart pattern we hardly have any levels below 1.95, and if you try to find out, you will find something like this. Okay, so if you want that what could be the worst scenario, so below 1.95 the stock could go towards 1.12, and below that you have 0 for you. So these are the things which one should look at. So overall this trend is a downtrending chart pattern, and what you are going to see, if it will go on the upside, where I have explained all the levels and the resistance of the target level as well as the support, that it will merely be a bounce back. And if it holds above 14 or $15 on the upside, then we are talking about its previous high. But unless the previous high cross, there is no new trend which you can see, and whatever you can see will only and only be a bounce back or hardly be a rebound. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts on the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.